Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a secret for you guys today. Want to know how to lose belly fat fast in 7 days with all natural ingredients. I'll be using is an organic lemon, the one with the seeds. You have to use the one with the seed. Go and get the one with the seed. If you don't use the one with the seed, it's not gonna work. Use the one with the seed. Ginger, all natural ginger. It's best if you use ginger like this, but if you don't have ginger like this, you can use the granulated ginger, the ground ginger, the powder one. Turmeric, you can also use the powder turmeric, but I prefer to use the root, the natural one, the root, the whole ginger. You can use, as I said before, you can use the powder one. Apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother, this one, the Bragg's. Okay, get this one. See? The honey. You don't have to use honey, but I use honey. You see why I say I use honey at the end of the video. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using today to show you how to lose belly fat fast in 7 days. And you guys have to be consistent. You have to drink it for 7 days continuously. Don't take any day off. Drink it for 7 days. Cut up the ingredients to put in to boil. Yeah, you can cut it anyway. There is no specific way how to cut it up, but you just need to cut it up. You're gonna cut it up with the skin and everything. You're gonna put it in the pot to boil. Then I'm gonna wash the ginger. I'm gonna cut up the ginger. And you're not gonna take off the skin or anything. You're gonna use everything. And you're gonna put this to boil in the pot also. Put that to boil. And we're gonna put our turmeric also. Now you're gonna add half bottle of water, and just add some water to it. And put it to boil. And put it to boil for 10 minutes. It's boiling up and it's almost finished. So this is it. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And 2 teaspoons of honey. this is what I drink in 7 days and start to lose belly fat fast. Consistent. I drink it for 7 days and it worked well for me. You can put the amount of honey that you like, but I don't like to drink this hot. You can drink it cold, but I think heat burns fat. Heat melts fat, so I think you should drink it warm. And I best if you drink it on an empty stomach in the morning and before you go to bed. Drink it at those times. It's best to drink it. It's not the best tasting, but you can manage to drink it. It's not tasty, but it doesn't taste that bad. But as I said, it works. If you really want to lose belly fat, it works. It really works. And it's like a detox. It detox your body. Yes, so like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching, guys.